Creating faceless content has become a popular way to generate income online. These 25 profitable niches allow you to remain anonymous while building a successful brand. Personal finance and budgeting. Share tips on saving money, managing budgets, and investing. Tools like animations or charts make this perfect for faceless content. Tech reviews and tutorials. Review gadgets, apps, or software with voiceovers and screen recordings. This niche is evergreen and highly monetizable. Gaming. Create gameplay videos, walkthroughs, or gaming tips using screen recordings. No face required, just great commentary. Health and fitness tips. Provide exercise routines, meal plans, or healthy lifestyle advice using infographics, animations, or stock footage. Motivational and inspirational content. Compile motivational speeches, quotes, and stories with royalty-free videos and soothing voiceovers. Education and how-to guides. Teach topics like math, science, or writing. Use animations, whiteboards, or screen recordings for a professional touch. Travel guides and reviews. Share travel tips, destination guides, or hotel reviews using stock footage and voiceovers. Food and recipes. Record hands-only recipe videos or create voiceover content for recipe tutorials. Focus on presentation for a wide reach. Stock market and crypto investing. Explain trading strategies, market analysis, or crypto trends with charts and graphics. DIY and craft projects. Show hands-on crafting projects or DIY tutorials without ever showing your face. Nature and relaxation. Compile scenic nature videos or relaxing sounds like rain and ocean waves. Perfect for meditation and sleep content. History and facts. Share fascinating historical events or unknown facts using images and narration. Book reviews and summaries. Summarize popular books or provide reviews using animations or text slides. Home organization and cleaning tips. Show step-by-step cleaning or organizing hacks with a focus on the process rather than the person. Pet care and training. Share pet care tips, training guides, or funny pet moments using stock footage or pet-centric animations. Life hacks and productivity tips. Offer quick tips on staying productive or solving everyday problems using text-based or animated videos. Quotes and affirmations. Create visually appealing content around quotes, affirmations, or mantras. Pair with calming music or visuals. Home improvement. Focus on projects like painting, furniture assembly, or minor renovations. Capture the process with a voiceover explanation. Fashion and style. Create outfit ideas, styling tips, or seasonal fashion guides with stock images or animations. Music compilations or tutorials. Compile playlists, share instrumental music, or teach music lessons using screen recordings. Productivity apps and tools. Review or demonstrate apps and software that boost productivity using screen recordings and voiceovers. Sports highlights and analysis. Analyze games or share highlights with commentary using publicly available clips. Kids educational content. Create fun, educational videos for kids with animations, songs, or simple stories. Affiliate marketing and online business tips. Share strategies for affiliate marketing or starting online businesses using screen captures and infographics. Unboxing and product reviews. Unbox products or review items while focusing on the product itself. This is highly effective for tech or beauty products. Faceless content creation opens the door to limitless opportunities while maintaining your privacy. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and start building your faceless brand today.